Ever try to style a bonsai and end up with something that looks like it's giving you the silent treatment? Yeah, same. Let's fix that. Today we're ranking bonsai styles from easiest to hardest, so you can stop guessing and actually enjoy the process. Some of these styles practically build themselves. Others, you'll need master shaman level patience and a PhD in tree whispering. If this channel were a tree, you'd be the water and sunlight. Tap that subscribe button and help it grow weird and wonderful. Our new bonsai book is here. First 100 orders get the Roots and Stories bundle, a bonus history chapter, a tree timeline chart, and a name tag for your bonsai. Links up top. Don't miss out. Okay, let's start with one that's almost cheating. Number 1. Informal Upright. This is the chill cousin of the bonsai world. One main trunk, a few curves, nothing too dramatic. Trees want to grow upright anyway, so you're just guiding what nature already wants to do. Bonus, it makes almost any species look like it knows what it's doing. Number 2. Broom Style. Especially great for deciduous trees. Picture a little tree holding an umbrella over itself. The trunk's straight, the branches spread out evenly at the top. Zero wire needed. Just clip it back like you're giving it regular haircuts. Super forgiving. Also slightly smug-looking, but in a good way. There's a soil showdown coming. And yes, it will involve me arguing with a bag of akadama. Number 3. Slanting Style. Imagine a tree leaning into the wind like it's about to make a dramatic speech. Easy in theory, but hard to make look natural. Your roots need to grip like they're holding on for dear life. Without balance, it just looks like it tripped. Number 4. Cascade. Gorgeous, elegant, absolutely bananas to wire. You're growing it down instead of up, so gravity's not on your side. Your pot needs to be tall. Your patience needs to be taller. This one's for folks who enjoy suffering in a beautiful way. Number 5. Literati. The rule breaker, the rebel, and also the trickster. Literati trees have long, elegant trunks with barely any branches. But get it wrong and it looks like a stick in a pot. Are you guilty of mistake number 5? Let me know in the comments. Hey, why not become a member? You'll get monthly giveaways, expert tips, and lots of extras to help your bonsai grow. Check out the link below to join. Should beginners even attempt Cascade or Literati styles? Or should they master the basics first? Tell me in the comments. And be nice, or the bonsai police will wire your shoelaces together. You don't have to master them all. Pick one style that speaks to you and go deep. Don't scatter your focus like a pine shedding needles in July. Style is just a shape, but how you care for it. That's the real art. You don't need perfect technique. You just need a tree, some curiosity, and maybe a bit of wire that isn't stuck to your elbow. You're allowed to grow slow. So are your trees. We see you, long-watched legend. May your moss be green and your wire never poke you.